On Friday. Yeah, you got messy face. Right. Can we talk now? Can me and Soraya talk? Soraya's been unwell.
I'm wiping my face. That okay. 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 Okay, Daddy.
Thank you. Right, can we talk again now, please?
No.
Right. Oh, you just pat on my eye. Friday.
I want teeth.
Right, so what happened on Friday?
No. Don't push me.
Friday, Soraya was unwell.
No.
Yes, she was. So we took her to A&E to get her checked over. And they said that she had a viral infection because she was all sniffly. As you could see from the last video,
Not well.
she's not well, no. Last video, Ava Grace was coughing, Mia was coughing, Soraya was coughing. There was just no arguing, remember?
Back at me.
Cover your mouth, please. There was just cold, sneeze, coughing, nastiness. It was just yucky. Yucky, very yucky.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
I did hurt.
Right. So on Saturday, she was still under the... Ava Grace! On Saturday, she was still a bit under the weather. Right. Can we talk, please? Well, Saturday she was still under the weather. Sunday she was very, very ill. And we think that she has suspected seizures. So she went to A&E again. And she was admitted into hospital, and she spent the night in hospital, and she came home yesterday. So welcome back, Soraya. Oh, thank you.
Bye-bye.
So I don't think we are going to vlog as much today because she needs to get her rest. Ava Grace, you're being annoying now.
No.
Soraya, tell her to stop, please. Stop! It's my time now. Stop! Stop! It's my time. Stop! So, we will not normally vlog that one. Right, do you want to talk? You talk, go on.
I need doctor.
You didn't go to the doctor?
Doctor.
Right. So we're probably not going to vlog as much because she's unwell, and it's not really fair that we exert her or do too much physio exercise, but it's important that she gets lots and lots of cuddles today. Yeah, I love cuddles. I love... Morning. I got a call this morning from my mum, She sounded quite distressed. Soraya has been taken into hospital this morning. She was having seizures, quite violent seizures, not ones what we're currently used to. So my mum had to call the ambulance this morning, and they're currently at A&E waiting to be seen. I'm on my way there now. I'm gonna go and meet them at the hospital, see what's going on. Hopefully she won't be admitted. She slept quite a bit yesterday. I think it could be a combination of teething and her viral infection and everything else like that. So Ava Grace and I are on our way to the hospital now. Say hello, Ava Grace. Not in the mood. Are you not in the mood? No? Are you not in the mood? Ava Grace. Say hello. You know what I just realised with my daughter? She's very sometime-ish. Aren't you? You're very... Could you just squeeze your head? Oh, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Right, let's get that. Natalie? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
I don't need to call you. Where are you now?
I'm making my way.
Alright then. Okay.
Alright, later. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Squeeze. Pinch your nose, pinch your nose. We've arrived and I've done an epic fail. I've forgotten the buggy. Gracie, can you walk? No, you can't. Ah! You're gonna borrow Sara's buggy?
No.
Yes, you have to. You got no choice, okay? Yeah? Yes? Yes? Ava Grace, are you baby? Are you baby today? Are you baby? Ava Grace, are you baby today? Are you not in the mood? No. Oh, right, right. Aww. Love eyes. You know well. Daddy. Nana.
All at night, we're tired. Yes? They're really tired. Can you please tell your daddy that he needs to stay with you tonight because we are tired.
All right. Say, Daddy.
Stay with
I
me.
need you, Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, I need you. Oh. I need you, Daddy. Look at my eyes, Daddy.
Your turn tonight. Enough. We need to sleep. So it's your turn tonight. Okay? She said it. She said it again. She's already said. One more time. Ready? Steady. Right, that's enough now. Say bye-bye. We left the hospital yesterday. Soraya, they upped her medication, and we were told that she needed to go in to St Thomas's on Friday for some tests. I think it was an EEG. So we got home. My mum got a phone call yesterday saying that we had to come, instead of bringing her in on Friday, we had to bring her in today, overnight for observations. So I'm getting her ready now. Mum's at work. Mum's gonna come home and we are going to go to St Thomas's, and she's going to have an overnight stay. So they're going to monitor her seizure activity, brain activity, and all of that brain stuff. So we're just getting ready to go. God, look at my head. Help! So Mum's taken her clothes out today. She's sporting the Uggs with the matching hair bows. Tights, 2 pairs, tights. I think she's leaving it to me to decide. Vest, and we got the dress here from H&M. Yes, girl, slay. Okay, let's get her ready. Daddy's arrived.
I was there waiting.
Where was you?
I was there.
Nisha said he stayed the night.
You was where?
Stayed the night.
Oh, you was in the other place?
I was there sitting down because I thought that you told me.
No, I just wanted to know where he was.
Why are you not asking me the question?
Eduardo, anyway, where's he going? Where's he going? Look at Daddy.
Hello, you good? You good?
Soraya, do you see Ed?
There's some real ones and some fake ones. My brother MD, he's a main one. Having views from the club for the stage one. Making money all day, that's the aim done. Show appreciation for my aim done. I'm going straight to the top, that's the aim done. Trebler, who's Trebler? Mina no damn Trebler. I'm comfy, so comfy. From my views, I'm so damn comfy. With your girl, yeah, I'm so damn comfy. And all now, ain't nobody touch me. With your girl, I'll be out in my sliders. Big back in the face, looking nicers. Zim, zimmer. I know you got the keys to the bimmer. Yeah, me and you can ride out. Get the gap and let's slide out. Aye. preview, more to come.